So I am using Mega Liner from Wet n Wild. It's about $2. So as you guys can see, I'm using my finger to stretch my eye out. And right now, I'm just filling out the width of my eye with the eyeliner. I do not do the wing before I do my base of the eye. I don't know why. I don't know, it's more comfortable for me. I don't know why. So, as you guys can see, I'm doing a swoop for my eyeliner. I start in that little crack, like where the bottom and top eyelash it ends. It's kind of like the waterline. And then I swoop up as far as possible. And then I start like a centimeter below where the end of the wing is. And I draw a line straight up. It's kind of like you're following your eye, you know, your eye shape up. And I'm going to draw a line, but I don't fully draw the line to connect it to the middle just yet. I fill it in just so I can get a feel of how it's going to look, okay? Also, I extend the wing very far out and up because I use a baby wipe to clean up my mistakes and sharpen it up. You guys will see that soon. And now I'm going to take my finger, stretch my eye out, and make a straight line to the center of my eye. So I extend the beginning of the eyeliner. I do this because I like the cat eye look, and that's what it gives me. Okay, so baby wipe time. This is what I was talking about when I said I was going to extend it and then fix it. Now, I'm going in with the baby wipe. Just where my waterline ends, I'm going in and I'm swooping the same way I did with the eyeliner, okay? It looks crazy right now, but I'm cleaning it up. I'm swooping and I'm giving it a sharper look. I don't use tape. I like this method because I swoop, all right? And then I'm going to go back in with the eyeliner and I'm going to extend the wing, all right, guys? And give myself a deeper dip, okay? Then I'm gonna go connect where the dip begins, and I'm gonna draw it up and then fill it in, okay? Now look. Now this is the finished look with lashes, okay? I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys practice until you get this method down pat. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.